सो वेलकम गाइज, आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। और आज की वीडियो में जो हमारा क्यू कार्ड रहेगा दैट वुड बी डिस्क्राइब अ वॉलंटियर एक्सपीरियंस और डिस्क्राइब अ वॉलंटियरिंग एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू हैव हैड। और इससे पहले जो अपना थर्ड क्यू कार्ड था कि डिस्क्राइब अ मिस्टेक दैट यू हैव मेड, आप उसको जो सेकंड क्यू कार्ड है दैट वाज डिस्क्राइब अ रिस्क दैट यू हैव टेकन दैट हैड अ पॉजिटिव आउटकम और पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट, उसके साथ आप डायरेक्टली उसको मैच कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, आपको कुछ नई उसमें what we say, you do not have to change anything in that, right? It is not mentioned there that every mistake has a negative outcome, so you can correlate the second cue card with the third, right? So this was about the second and third. Now coming on to the cue card which I will be speaking on today is describe a volunteering experience that you have had. ठीक है, तो कोई ऐसा volunteering experience that you have been through the time or that you have had in the past month or even for a matter of fact the past year or so. तो इसमें मैं जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स को मैं यही बताता हूँ कि जो अपनी आपकी सर्कमस्टांसेस है, ठीक है, द सर्कमस्टांशियल यू हैव टू मेक दैट क्यू कार्ड, दैट थिंग्स दैट आर हैपनिंग एट प्रेजेंट इन योर सराउंडिंग। ठीक है, ज़्यादातर क्यू कार्ड तो वहीं से आ जाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन दिस वी कैन ईजिली मेक दिस क्यू कार्ड related to the unprecedented epidemic that is COVID-19. Yes, तो उससे रिलेट करके आज मैं बनाऊंगा। तो उससे पहले जो इसके क्यूज थे, ठीक है, उसमें सबसे फर्स्ट वन था व्हाट इट वाज, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड सेकंड इज वेयर इट वाज। तो व्हाट इट वाज में जो मेरे हिसाब से है, फर्स्ट वन इज ब्लड डोनेशन। ठीक है, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप था, सो यू वर अ वॉलंटियर फॉर दैट। आपका काम बेसिकली क्या था, लोगों को घरों से लेके आना। यू हैव टू एनकरेज देम टू डोनेट ब्लड, क्योंकि ब्लड डोनेट करने से यू कैन सेव एनीवन्स लाइफ, राइट। तो इसके बारे में आप लोग बोल सकते हैं कि आपने ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप में हेल्प की, लोगों को जागरूक किया, यू अवेयर द पीपल दैट ब्लड डोनेशन इज अ गुड डीड एंड दे शुड डू इट होल हार्टेडली। ठीक है, so this was about the blood donation. And the second one is old clothes. There are various organizations, right, to come up across with this organization. तो उनका काम क्या था, they used to help the poor children with the clothes and books. So what you did in that, आप घर घर गए, आपके विलेज में या आपके होम टाउन में, ठीक है, वहाँ से जो भी आपको कपड़े मिले, the used clothes which are not used by that people anymore, तो आपने वही कपड़े कलेक्ट किए। ठीक है, then there are books of the children that, अब क्या होता है, बच्चे जब पास कर लेते तो हम क्या करते हैं, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रद्दी में बेच देते हैं। ठीक है, so instead of that what you have done is you have taken that books and you have distributed among the, ठीक है, तो इस पे आप बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट बना सकते हैं। the next is food। अब जैसे कोविड-19 था तो आपने बहुत सारी ग्रोसरीज, ठीक है, ये सब कलेक्ट करके यू हेल्प द नीडी, यू हेल्प द डेस्टिट्यूट। बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड-19 देयर वर सर्कमस्टेंसेस क्रिएटेड दैट पीपल हैव नॉट थॉट ऑफ। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वर लेड ऑफ फ्रॉम देयर जॉब्स एंड द वर्कर्स वर द मोस्ट अफेक्टेड, और द डेली वेज वर्कर्स वर द मोस्ट अफेक्टेड। तो आप उसके साथ रिलेट कर सकते हैं। Then is medical checks, right? तो मेडिकल चेकअप में जैसे कई आजकल काफ़ी सारे विलेजेस में, सिटीज़ में there are mobile vans. So again you had the task to bring out old people or to help people with their medical checkups. And the last one is free tuition. And in this क्या हो सकता है कि आपने अब जैसे कोविड-19 की, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि आप अपने environment से क्यों करते हैं। So what happened is अब कॉलेजेस वगैरह तब 3-4 महीने के लिए ऑफ थे, ठीक है. नाउ वी नो दैट द क्लासेस आर ऑनलाइन, बट due to some reasons there is not a proper connectivity in your village. So what you have done or what you have come up with is कि आपने सोचा कि you should help the children especially of your village with free tuitions. So आपने क्या किया, आपका 5 और 6 का peer group था, ठीक है. You all come across this organization that provides free tuition. So you took part in that, and in the evening when you had your leisure time or when you got your free time, you went into the school and teach them the normal concepts so that they do not lag in their studies. So this is also a good point on which you can make the cue card. तो आज के जो क्यू कार्ड है हमारा, उसके जो अगले 2 points है that why you volunteered for it, right? And the last one is how you felt about it. और मैंने पहले भी बोल रखा है कि जो फीलिंग्स के लिए we have specially idioms that I have discussed in the previous videos. So please click on the I button to watch them first if you are coming across this video for the very first time. So that is it. So why you volunteered? काफ़ी सारी feelings है, ठीक है. You were volunteering for the very first time or you haven't volunteered for such a long time. तो आपको लगा कि why you should waste this opportunity, right? तो आपने हेल्प करने का सोचा. You wanted to do something good, ठीक है, in ऐसे circumstances में. So these were the feelings that let you allow to volunteer, to do a selfless deed. So this is what you can say in volunteering, why you took up that volunteering, right? And the last one is how you felt about it, right? After doing that volunteering or after doing that selfless deed, it is how did you felt? ठीक है, कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है जिसमें we give without having anything in return. That is the meaning of it. ठीक है, तो आपने भी वही किया. You didn't hoped or you didn't expected that you will get something in return, but still you helped. Why for the sake of humanity, right? So this is what you can say about the volunteering. Well, throughout my life I haven't got many opportunities to volunteer for any organization, but due to the COVID-19 I got this opportunity in my village for helping needy. So here I would grab this opportunity to speak about it. Well, during the COVID-19 which came across, so the whole world was exposed to it in the month of March, and our Prime Minister Mr. Modi put a forced lockdown, and at that point of time it was the unprecedented situations that arose, and many people were laid off from their jobs, and the strata which was most affected was the daily wage workers or the laborers. So in such times it's the responsibility of the humans first to help those who are in the need of help, and this was the moment at which I also thought of helping. I was a bit skeptical at first because of the COVID-19. I was also in the fear that I could get affected from that, but I took care of it by maintaining proper social distancing and putting on mask, and even I had a sanitizer with me always when I was there to help someone. So in my village there was a youth club that in which all the teenagers or all the people that are willing to help was set up in the month of March. What we did basically is the first step was to collect money from all households, a mere 100 or 200 rupees. After collecting that money, the foremost thing that we have done is we took the groceries from the market which was nearby to our village, and we made packets so that every poor family can have. Not only this, after the lockdown was relaxed, within the time frame of 2 to 3 months. We even use that money to send them back to their homes, as they have left or they have traveled huge distances when they came into my state, that is Punjab, to do labor work. For the steps that we took, I was greatly overwhelmed by this experience. It helped me realize that we always frown upon petty things, but to look at the bigger picture, these little petty things should not bother us. So this is what I have done during that volunteering phase, and I still have that picture in my mind when me and my friends gave that packets to the needies. They were eternally grateful to us. They couldn't thank us enough, and we were also immensely overwhelmed by the love that they were sharing to us. So this experience have also taught me that it feels good, or it gives us immense pleasure when we give it back to the society in return without expecting anything. So at that moment of time, I was over the moon. It was just what the doctor has ordered, and I also urged and I also requested my other villagers to help these people with all the foods or the leftover clothes. And in future, I also think that whenever such times will come again, God forbids, but if such time prevails again, I would be the first one to help them. And now I would say humanity comes first, then other things. So for the sake of humanity, we should help, we should come in the front and help the needy. Thank you.